Okay, so you've signed on. You should see your name right there in the upper corner. You want to order something. There's a product description. You can type in whatever you want. For example, we're going to type in bread and then hit the search button, and it's going to bring up everything that has bread in the description. So not just loaves of bread, but it'll be breadsticks or anything that says bread in it. So you can scroll through that and look and see what you find. And let's say you find something that looks halfway decent. You can go over here and click on the product code. If it's got a camera next to it, you'll be able to see a picture of the product. You'll be able to look down and see that it's got natural and organic ingredients, and then check and see what the nutritional value and the ingredients are. Pretty self-explanatory. That looks good. Let's say we want to order it. So you go up to here and you put in your quantity, 1, 2, whatever you want, and then add to order. The little pop-up screen says it's been successfully added to your cart. So go ahead and click out of there. And let's try do a few other things here with the orders. You can go to products. You can look at brands. Now let's say you've shopped at some other store and you have a brand name that you really like. Well, you can search for it by the first initial. Let's say R, for example. This is listing every manufacturer that UNFI carries. Now you can see Real Salt. I like Rising Moon Organics. So let me see what all they have there. You click on that and it brings you up the screen with every product that's got Rising Moon Organics in it. And again, you can scroll through, take a look at the pictures if you want to. Let's say that's the sauce that I've bought before and I really like it. If I click add to order, it's going to go ahead and add quantity 1 to the order. You can also scroll back up and publications. This is kind of a neat little feature. It's kind of new. You can see the monthly specials if you'd like. Make sure to look at the right month because there's tons of months there. You can go categories. And this digital editions, the first one is your food. The second one is all of your supplements and body care. So if you click on the link, it's going to bring up a flash program. And it is a digital representation of the print catalog. So you can scroll through the pages, flip the pages just like as if you're reading a book. Now, it takes a lot to click through every single page. So what I did is I went ahead and flipped through the pages and put some bookmarks in on mine so that I could see bulk, refrigerated, frozen, all of the different areas of the catalog. So if I'm looking at refrigerated things, I want to click the zoom in so I can see the catalog a little bit better. Click the arrows to navigate the pages. Click on the hand so that you can use your mouse to scroll the pages. Now, when you're looking at things, you want to see what the product is. That's the case size there, 696 ounces. Each carton is $5. The case is $30. And the $7.49 there is your suggested retail price, what you would pay in the store. So you can keep scrolling down, looking at different things. If you happen to see something that catches your eye, this is all by brand name. Click to the next page. Let's say you find something that you like, let's say feta cheese, for example. Remember this number, 88803. That's the product number. And that's something that you'll want to do. You'll remember that number, go back to publications, go back to your other tab, and then click on product code and enter in that 5-digit number, and then hit search. What that's going to do is that's going to bring up the product that you're looking for with that number. And then from here, this is where you can look at it again, look at the picture, then place your order so you kind of know what you're ordering at this point. You've got your price, you've got your pack size, all of that, your ingredients. Just double check, make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Then enter in your quantity and add it to your order. It's pretty simple once you get the handle on it. But again, this catalog is very, very extensive. It's kind of difficult to look through. So let's say I've clicked that I want to order that, and I'm like, ooh, wait a minute, you know what, that said reduced fat. I don't think that I really want that. So I can click on my cart, go over, and I can delete, I can edit, whatever I want to do here. So let's say maybe that Rudy's Bakery, it's on sale. So I want to order 2 cases of it. Let's say I've got family coming in and we eat a lot of bread. So just change your quantity, hit update, and then you'll have to close this little window out, this little pop-up. But once you do that, it automatically updates your cart. So you'll be able to see, there's my 2 now. Now, let's say you can delete all your items, start over. Let's say, you know, I'm just kind of playing around. Let me go ahead and delete them. You can delete anything out of your cart. You can edit the amount. You can do all of that until I hit the submit button on Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. Now, when you are ordering, you can do a quick order. If you have all of your codes down, the product codes, don't worry about that department. Just leave it at default. Enter in your number, hit the quantity, and then add the item to your cart. That's the other way to add it if you already know the product codes. Let's say you've been ordering for a while and you know exactly what you want. You can do the quick order. Go ahead and come in here and order everything. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this out of the cart just to show you it makes an empty cart. Again, when it goes into your cart, it also goes on my entry page. So make sure if you make a mistake and you're not real sure what's happening, go ahead and figure it. Give me a call or just delete everything out of your cart and we can go through email. Okay? Make sure that you know what you're doing. Check your publications to see what you're ordering and enjoy.